Come enjoy this 55-plus resort-style community with all its amenities: golfing, tennis, billiards, pickleball, dancing, just to name a few activities that his wonderful community has to offer. There's 7 clubhouses, 5 pools, over 200 clubs, and much more. Come take a look at this 55-plus community with all its amenities: golfing, tennis, pickleball, billiards and more. This cute single-story end unit has no steps, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms with new carpet, new paint, new wood grain flooring. Lots of windows,